Hey food lovers, tired of a cluttered kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your cooking and make healthy, delicious meals effortless. This incredible 9-in-1 pressure cooker is your ultimate kitchen upgrade, combining a slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sous vide, and more into one sleek appliance. Imagine ditching multiple gadgets for one versatile powerhouse that saves counter space and simplifies meal prep like never before. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can effortlessly whip up everything, from perfectly fluffy rice and tender stews, to homemade yogurt, and even cakes with just the touch of a button. It's truly a game changer for busy individuals looking to cook faster and enjoy restaurant-quality food at home. Plus, the premium stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, consistent cooking and makes cleanup an absolute breeze after every meal. This isn't just a kitchen appliance. It's an investment in saving time, eating better, and rediscovering the joy of cooking. Ready to transform your culinary experience? Check out the link below in the description to grab your own Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon today. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create incredible dishes, making it the best kitchen buy for 2025 and beyond. Don't wait. Upgrade your kitchen, save time, and start enjoying the magic of the Instant Pot Duo Plus now.